Today we will cover how to make money with ChatGPT. First, let us understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI that is trained on a diverse dataset of web pages and books. It is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture, which is a type of transformer neural network that is trained to generate text. The model is pre-trained on a massive amount of text data, and can then be fine-tuned for specific language tasks such as text generation, language translation, text summarization, question answering, and chatbot applications. The most current version of ChatGPT is ChatGPT 3, which has 175 billion parameters. It is considered to be one of the most powerful language models currently available, with the ability to generate human-like text and perform a wide range of natural language processing tasks. Now let us explore how ChatGPT can help us to make money. It is able to perform a wide range of natural language processing tasks including content creation, using ChatGPT to generate text for websites, blogs or social media, and monetizing the content through advertising or affiliate marketing. ChatGPT 3 can generate text that is almost indistinguishable from human-written text. Creative writing, using ChatGPT to generate stories, poems, and other forms of creative writing, and monetizing them through ads, sponsorships, or crowdfunding. Research and content creation, utilizing GPT-3 or similar models for generating summaries, reports and other types of research-based content. Language translation, it can translate text from one language to another. Text summarization, it can automatically summarize long pieces of text. Text completion, it can complete a text based on a given prompt or context. Text classification, it can classify text into different categories. Question answering, it can answer questions based on the context of the text provided. Virtual assistants and chatbots, using ChatGPT to generate text for virtual assistants and chatbots, and offering services to businesses to help them automate customer service or sales tasks. It can understand and respond to user input in a natural and conversational manner. Virtual personal assistants, ChatGPT can be fine-tuned to act as a virtual personal assistant, providing scheduling, reminders, and other personal assistance to individuals. Language-based games and apps, using ChatGPT to generate text for games and apps, and monetizing them through sales or in-app purchases. Services, offer services to businesses or individuals who need help with natural language processing tasks, such as text summarization, sentiment analysis, or language translation. Consultation and training, monetizing your skills and expertise in working with language generation models by offering consultational training services to businesses or other organizations. Generating personalized text, ChatGPT can be fine-tuned to generate personalized text, such as personalized emails, marketing messages, or product descriptions. This can be a valuable service for businesses and organizations that want to increase customer engagement and conversions. Automated writing, ChatGPT can be used to automate writing tasks, such as writing news articles, product descriptions, or social media posts. This can be a valuable service for businesses and organizations that want to save time and resources on writing tasks. Virtual customer service, ChatGPT can be fine-tuned to provide virtual customer service, responding to customer inquiries and complaints in a conversational manner. This can be a valuable service for businesses and organizations that want to provide 24/7 customer service. Gamification, ChatGPT can be used to create interactive, story-driven games, such as text-based games or chatbot-based games. This can be a valuable service for businesses and organizations that want to engage customers through interactive experiences. Virtual writing tutoring. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for writing tutoring, providing feedback and suggestions on grammar, style, and structure for students and other writers. Business intelligence. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned to extract insights and intelligence from large amounts of text data, such as customer feedback or market research.